Hello, my name is Calvin Hollingsworth, and this is my slide design project. I did it on Xbox because I'm a big Xbox fan. I've been playing a lot of console video games for most of my life, and um, wanted to do this ad on something that I enjoy. And so this is based on a Xbox 360 ad campaign that I found online, and really liked it, and I wanted to have this be part of my project. So here we go. So the design is pretty straightforward, pretty simple. The controller is very sleek. It's very light colored, and the background is also light colored. To be quite honest, I kind of wish that there was a different color in the background to make the controller stand out a little bit more. But based on what it is, it's pretty good. Center aligned. I know the teacher isn't a huge fan of center alignment, but um, based on a lot of the ads that I found, this was the one that I felt looked the most professional. And one of the reasons why I liked it so much is because it has the logo on the top and the very bottom. It has a very good kind of call to action to get people to want to purchase this product and get into the video game world. And in the typography section, I was sharing it with some of my friends, and they said that it seems like a sans serif, and so it looks kind of like an Arial font. So it's a very simple and straightforward font, nothing too fancy. And based on the font, felt like it was very professional in the way that it is able to um, just, I guess, give a simple design to this ad. And so here's my ad, kind of similar. It's also center aligned, but quite a bit different. So this is a customized controller, and so I used a background from actually a screenshot that I created from my Xbox, and so I used the explosion in the background to kind of give this um, controller to be able to stand out more because there's a lot of darks, a lot of dark reds and black. I wanted to be able to have some brighter colors that would help this um, ad be able to pop out and kind of get to the, I guess, to the to the audience, I guess. And so I just really enjoyed doing this part. It was a lot of fun to be able to go onto Photoshop and be able to tweak with different things. But some consistencies that I did with this ad is I wanted to make it very repetitious, like the old one, the new ad, I mean. And so I kind of have your controller, your rules, customize your controller today. I wanted to be able to have a call to action that would be able to get people to want to be able to purchase a customized Xbox controller, and I want to be able to kind of get people to be like, oh, you can do whatever you want with the design of your own personalized Xbox controller. And so here I have the logo on the side, make it large enough so that you can see it, but also be able to not have it too big so it kind of um, so it doesn't distract from the main reason of this ad, which is the controller and the background trying to give it a pop out look. I kind of wanted to have this ad give more of an epic video game kind of feel with explosions and the character in the background and that kind of thing. And so yeah, and so here's the Xbox 360 logo, and this was my design project. I had a lot of fun being able to create this ad, and hope you guys all enjoy. Thank you.